What is up, guys? So this here is going to be a short unboxing video. I'm actually unboxing the Rapoo KX mechanical keyboard. This here is a nice little compact keyboard that I do recommend if you are looking for a mechanical keyboard. It is a cheap mechanical keyboard, but it is still a little expensive. If you're looking for a $40 or $50 mechanical keyboard, you're not going to find it. This is about an $85 keyboard, $80 to $100 keyboard, and I think it's well worth its money. I've already got to use it. The video was pre-recorded, and then after I recorded the video, I did do this commentary, so this is not live. I'm not doing it live. I'm actually doing a kind of an impressions video over the unboxing. But the keyboard is really awesome. When you turn it on, you've got your keys light up individually. The letters do, and the numbers on the buttons, which is pretty awesome. It's got a stainless steel finish on the front. It's got a rubberized back. It's not going to slide off any surface that you put it on. It's got little legs that flip up in the back. You've got a USB that you can hook up to your PC and makes it wireless, which is, that's common for your wireless keyboards unless they're Bluetooth. But I do really enjoy this keyboard. It's amazing. I'm having a great time using it. It feels comfortable. I am going to let y'all hear the mechanical keys clicking. I always found that satisfying to hear the mechanical keyboard. It's just amazing. So yeah, guys, this was the Rapoo mechanical keyboard. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I do advise you to go out and get this thing if you're looking for a keyboard and you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that's on the cheaper end but still premium. This is it. I do like this keyboard. I got it for my Alienware, and I do plan on getting a mouse for my Alienware and doing an unboxing of it in the future. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, subscribe. I'm sorry I didn't get to get more in depth on this unboxing, but I had to do some stuff. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later.